Welcome to Andy's Guide, the ultimate destination for all things e-commerce and Shopify. In today's video, we are diving into the 5 best Shopify apps for managing tickets, whether it's for events, support, or anything in between. Let's begin. Now, this is the perfect time for you to create your first Shopify account by clicking on Start Free Trial, or if you already have an account, you just click on Login using your credentials. And once you're logged in, you need to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Apps. And from here, you will be given a lot of apps accordingly. And the first app that we are going to explore is called Rich Panel. Is a help desk app for Shopify and Shopify Plus stores. It's known for its AI capabilities and self-service portal, and I believe it is one of the best that gives an help desk functionality that stands out due to the following features. Now, number one of them is the multi-channel inbox right here. And from there, you can manage customer information or customer communication from email, live chat, SMS, Instagram, Facebook, and even phone calls in one place. Now, the inbox integrates with all popular apps to bring customer contact such as e-commerce orders, CRM data, loyalty points, and more next to each ticket, right? Now, I'm using Rich Panel to one of my store because it gives me a multi-channel capability and integrations to eliminate the needs for support agents to switch between applications, making our work streamlined. Now, one of my accounts here in Rich Panel includes collision detection that prevents duplicate work to see if the ticket is being worked on by another colleague. It's very helpful if you have multiple customer agents that work simultaneously, and you can assign chats and tickets based on skills, language, and availability. And you can use private notes and mention colleagues in conversations to seek help and gather more context in terms of collaboration. You can snooze tickets to get back to them at a later stage. You can have a respond quickly to routine queries without having to copy and paste the same response repeatedly. And I believe the self-service widget right here is very helpful because it enables your customers to resolve common issues immediately and in real time 24/7. Now, in terms of the pricing right here, it's very competitive and transparent at the same time because from the $9 per month, you can add 3 agents, which is an alternative to Shopify Inbox. You can manage email, social, and chat from one app. You can also have the Pro, which is $50, which is alternative to a lot to other platforms, and all features, automations, and AI with a fair price. Now, if you are interested to put Rich Panel into the test, just go over to your Shopify app and click on Rich Panel. And if you're interested, just click on Login to install so you can take advantage of all these perks and benefits. And just a quick reminder that they offer a 14-day free trial. You get the $9 per month and $60 per month. And the 100 plus reviews can help you make an informed decision if Rich Panel is the right app for you. Next in our list is called Shopify Inbox. It's a free app by Shopify, obviously. It is an excellent choice for businesses, and I started my store using this free app because it provides basic customer support on their site via live chat. The Shopify Inbox is not as fully features as a ticketing system and cannot handle all support channels, but I believe it's a great choice for businesses just starting off, which I did in the past. And the Inbox app comes with an easy-to-use mobile app to manage incoming queries, supports Facebook Messenger and live chat as a primary support channels. One cool feature about the Shopify Inbox is the ability to share coupons, products right inside the chat widget. And obviously, Shopify Inbox is readily available on the App Store. As you can see, click on Shopify Inbox. It's really free. Basically, its price is free, obviously. And you can acquire new customers and close sales by connecting with shoppers in chat. And I believe you don't need to get the reviews because it's a starter app when you are just getting off your feet for your store. And the next contender is called Gorgeous, which is the leading Shopify help desk software that has a host of integrations and multi-channel capabilities. Apart from the basic help desk features, Gorgeous has sentiment analysis, a dedicated help center page, and built-in live chat capabilities. Now you can go for the features here. They have the Gorgeous Automate, which it can have instant resolutions for happier customers in a happier team. Gorgeous Convert, Gorgeous Help Desk, AI and App Store. And these are the supported e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, and WooCommerce. And in terms of the pricing, basically you can have the starter packs only available for monthly subscription. But if you want to have like a 300 tickets per month basic setup, that's going to be $50. The Pro is what I have right now. It's $300 per month, but you can accommodate 2,000 tickets per month. If, for example, your store has a high demand for increase, and if you wanted to go for the advanced and enterprise, you might want to go for a book and demo or ask for a consultant. And if you are ready, head over to your Shopify store. Just simply search Gorgeous, click on it, and just click on to install if you're ready. And here you can have an order management, edit, refund, duplicate, and cancel orders on Gorgeous directly. And again, just a quick reminder that this is the pricing plan. It has a 7-day free trial, $10 per month starter plan. And again, these are the essentials. I believe the 600 plus reviews can help you make an informed decision if Gorgeous is the right app for your store. Next in our list is called Zendesk. Now, it is a customer support tool that is industry agnostic, which means it is not purpose-built for e-commerce or Shopify, but does have a Shopify integration that makes it a great help desk choice for customer support teams already familiar with a Zendesk. Now, I'm using Zendesk in the past, and I believe it's one of the best there is in terms of ticketing platform, because it can have a build lasting relationships with your complete customer resolution. If you wanted to start a solution right here, just click on start your free trial or view demo. But I believe in terms of the pricing alone, it's competitive, right? Now, here are the comparison of the pricing plans. It is up to you if Zendesk is the right app for your needs in terms of your business. Okay, it's a little bit competitive. It's not as cheap as the other competitors. Now, the products has Zendesk for service, Zendesk for sales, the Sunshine platform, and the marketplace wherein there are apps, integration, and partners. The popular apps are Google Play Review, Salesforce, Tables, and Slack. So if you are a big fan or heavy user of these platforms, you might want to consider Zendesk as your ticketing software. And the helpful themes that you can check. And the last app that we're going to discuss is called Reamaze. It's a popular help desk tool that is feature-rich and affordable. It is now acquired by GoDaddy and supported by their support team. They have a peer set pricing, which makes it a popular choice for many people or users who are cost-conscious Shopify merchants. And as you can see here, you can consolidate all your customer support channels and respond faster than ever before. These are the platforms that they support on a one seamless customer help desk. You can explore features such as inbox, chatbots, push campaigns, status page alive, FAQs, and AI beta. And in terms of pricing, you might want to go for the basic, which is $29 per month. That's per team member. But you get to have an access to unlimited email inboxes, live chat, social media channels, workflow automation, which is macros, response templates, website integration, chatbots, queues, basic reporting, and customer intents. Now, I suggest you go for the Pro, which is $49 per month per team member, but you get to have a live view of site visitors, advanced reporting, and an SMS and voice channels. A custom hosted domain, and a customizable email appearance plus status page. Now, if you want to know more about Reamaze, just go over to your Shopify store, apps, and type in Reamaze. And from here, obviously, you can click on Reamaze live chat, help desk CRM. And these are the perks and benefits that you can take advantage once you're decided to integrate this in your store. And just a quick reminder that this is the pricing plan. You have an option for a 14-day free trial, which you can always cancel anytime, and the 250 reviews can help you make an informed decision. If you think this is an overwhelming number of ticketing systems to choose from, well, we recommend these methods to select the right one. Check reviews, right? Of course, take the trial, go on a demo with your shortlisted apps, check their support docs and responsiveness, and compare pricing. And again, if your store is powered by Shopify, if you type in support ticket management apps, basically these are the suggested apps that can weed out your searching. And from here, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.